we're heading to Northern Ireland. We'll be going on a photo walk and a tour of the city, and it's very early. It's like 6:30. It's like 6:30, and I'm heading to UCD to meet up with a larger group to grab the bus and to head there. So yeah, I'll take you with me. Let's do a quick check-in. Made it here in good time. Today's gonna be fun. I can feel it in my bones. And mainly because the school is empty. It's so early. Stopped at the wrong stop. I'm going to the bus station now. This is such a big campus. Pretty bored. I'm gonna be there. So initially when the bus came, I saw the teacher coming up to him, so I thought that wasn't ours. And she later said, "Oh no, she made a mistake. She thought that was theirs." It's not.
In 1921, 1922, hundreds of people lost their lives in sectarian shootings by both sides of the community, and also St Campbell's Roman Catholic School, where my dad was shot and wounded by the official IRA. This one occurred in August 1975. The provisional IRA fired a machine gun at the doorman standing here. They lit a fuse of a bomb and threw it into the bar, and as a result, it killed 5 people. The youngest was a wee girl at 17 years old, and the youngest was a boy at 63.
Where you go from? All over. From college and most of the consisted of 9 counties, and the Gaelic clans that existed here on this island right throughout, the last to succumb to English rule were the clans that existed in Ulster. And to try to beat the resistance out of those Gaelic clans, the English monarch decided to sell the lands of Ulster to the City of Guilds of London, who in turn then sold that land to Lowland Scots and Lowland English. Arrived at short surrounded that Ireland is the most pro-Palestinian.
Come on.
I can't help it. Came here, it was raining profusely, and it hasn't rained today, but it's been very windy and sort of cold. So Belfast 2, Blessyn 0. This is a very large metal structure.
This dock sign on the side. Someone Google image search it.
1867. When was Titanic?
I'll leave you at the Google Chrome browser.
Google is so petty though. We're going there. To the steel factory. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. I've had such a wonderful experience learning about the history of Northern Ireland. I have been here before, but not with a detailed tour guide, so I'm not gonna lie, this has been a lot to take in. Anyways, this is the Titanic Museum behind me, and we will not be going in for a tour today. I've been to the tour anyways. Check out my tour video, and if you want to see more, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so I come your way next time. Bye bye. Ooh, and thank you so much CNN Academy for this trip.